Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Here's our annual tradition. At the beginning of each year, the first recipe I like to showcase is a salad. With all our resolutions, I think this is a proper way to start a new year. There's an amazing salad that I like to serve during the holidays, but also afterwards because it's so delicious. Here it is. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my pear, pomegranate, blue cheese salad. Just think about the flavor combination. Like most salads, it's easy to make and the ingredients marry so well together. It's definitely the perfect way to start the year. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a small skillet over medium heat, we'll add walnuts and toast them for about 5 minutes, tossing often. We'll remove from the heat and transfer them to a bowl to cool off while making our vinaigrette. We'll combine grapeseed oil, but avocado or walnut oil are a great substitute. Then balsamic vinegar, some honey. Now to get a great trick when handling sticky ingredients, click on the top right corner of your screen, followed by Dijon mustard, and we'll season with ground sea salt, and of course, freshly ground black pepper. We'll give a good whisk until well blended. Before it goes on the salad, I want you to taste, and if it needs more salt or pepper, even mustard, simply adjust it. Alright, so in a large salad bowl, we'll add baby spinach leaves and pour in the vinaigrette before gently tossing until nicely coated. Next, we'll prep our pear. I'm using Bosc. I love them. So we'll cut off the stem and discard it. Then we'll slice the fruit in half. Now, using a melon baller, which will make the task easier, we'll remove the core by turning it. See? Easy peasy. Also, let's not forget to remove the calyx by cutting it off and discard it. From here, we'll cut the pear into small cubes, about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch. Perfect size for the salad. We're now ready to serve. We'll place the salad on serving plates, then add a handful of pear pieces spread evenly. The same with shallots that are thinly sliced, followed by pomegranate seeds. And to avoid any mess when dealing with this particular fruit, check out my video by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. For the finishing touch, we'll sprinkle on the crumbled blue cheese and the toasted walnuts. Yum! And my friends, this is our pear, pomegranate, blue cheese salad. Healthy and packed with vitamins and nutrients, this is the perfect meal to start the year on the right foot. It's colorful and incredibly delicious. With great ingredients balancing the flavor harmoniously, this salad recipe should definitely be in your folder. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!